Pam from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and I'm going to introduce you to my Aunt Em's Along and Quilting Bee. It's going to be fun. I decided to do this because it was kind of getting expensive the way that I had it set up, where I dropped a block each week. Well, the block was free for 4 weeks, but if you hadn't started at the beginning, because we're 20 blocks in, this is getting to be an expensive quilt pattern. And I don't want it to be that way. I want the things that I offer to be affordable and accessible to those who want to participate. So I've started Aunt Em's Along Quilting Bee. So unlike how the bee is set up right now, you will have unlimited access to the blocks through the whole sewing bee, plus for about a month after. So you will be continuing getting the new blocks for the newbie, but you will have access to these blocks and the bonus content that comes with this bee through the next month. So if you need some time to finish up or whatever, you will have access to those blocks. So it's not like now where they go away and then you have to purchase them. You will have access to them through the whole bee. And it will be similar to how it's set up right now, and I will continue through this bee. This is the quilt that we're doing right now. We've completed this column, and this column, and we're working our way up this column right now. So this is the block that we'll release this week, and then the way that I set up the sew along is that you get a block each week, and as the quilt progresses, I give instructions so you can be putting your quilt together as you go. So it's kind of fun to see how they progress. I am enjoying seeing how everybody's sharing theirs on the Facebook group. So we'll continue up this row through the next couple of, let me get out of the way, of this row. In the next couple months, we'll finish this up, and I am designing another sew along. It will be an autumn themed quilt. It should be fun also, and that will be included. It's an annual fee for the Aunt Em's Sew Along Quilting Bee. In addition to the blocks, you will get a virtual show and tell meeting every month. There will be bonus videos for the tricky blocks that maybe are not so intuitive as to how to put them together. There will also be bonus quilts and things to make, so that will be included in the fee. It's very inexpensive. It's less than $2 a month to belong, and you'll be getting the 4 block patterns plus the video content plus bonuses and coupons, plus the community that you will receive with other members. So I hope you will join up. It's going to be fun. We'll create lots of fun quilts like this. They will all be a sampler kind of theme. Some may be medallion. It will just vary how they go from sew along to sew along. But you will get a lot of bang for your buck. And I will put a link to that down below. So I hope you will join us. This is going to be fun. Thanks. We'll see you. Bye-bye.